Severe thunderstorm warning number 79 EAS number 3498. Station, WLVW FM, Washington, D.C. Frequency 107.30 MHz.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Howard County in central Maryland, north central Montgomery County.
The good news is legal tax defense has been successfully negotiating with the IRS for more than 15 years. It doesn't matter how much you owe, whether it's $5,000 or $5 million, you deserve the best in the business on your side. That is legal tax defense. Even if you're working with someone else and just want a second opinion, there is no cost or obligation to call. They can prevent levies, liens, wage garnishments, even file back tax returns. And the best news about legal tax defense is they won't take your case unless they know they will reduce or eliminate your tax debt. Call Legal Tax Defense right now for a free no-risk consultation. 800-323-8922. 800-323-8922. You have nothing to lose but everything to gain. 800-323-8922. Legal heat for your airline bill? Choose all tax services. All seasons, all systems, all taxes. This report is sponsored by MedStar Health. MedStar Health knows sometimes a video visit is virtually all you need. Get same-day care from MedStar.